Mr. Nikhil is also coming from India, brings a lot of experience around AI. He's an entrepreneur and researcher with the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Landscape around the startups. Currently, there are 600 active
technologies like AI, IoT, we're talking about quantum computing. Upskilling yourself, especially to use the internet technology, is very important. So today, we cannot leave technology and build our enterprises, because earlier the business used to be built without technology, but now I think there will be only two categories of business will exist: either the full stack business. I also want to add one point here. I think government of Egypt needs to strategically think of not just Egypt but for the entire Africa. I think Egypt can be a great entry point for any of the startups outside of Africa to come. For example, if any person sitting in India or any part of the world thinking that they want to expand in Africa, they should think Egypt as the first country. Just like in originally people think of Dubai as a country where they want to expand. So if the government will think, on the broader perspective, it will be actually very easy, because we think that Africa is a huge continent. Second, I think publishing the data for the demand, as you also said, it's business is a game of demand and supply. So if the organization have the data of all this specific industry, not just telecom, but even for food industry, for construction, for all other agri, it will be easy for startup to actually do a financial calculation for the return on investment. However, I see an opportunity for government to work on a micro investment platform where if I'm sitting somewhere in India, any part of the world, if even I want to invest, let's say 1,000 EGP in one of the startups, I can do it in just one click. So I think if 2 to 3 steps are taken seriously, I think it will become easy not just for single country but for the entire world to see Egypt as a huge entry market for Africa. And that image can be set by putting a lot of rigorous processes, marketing, branding across the country, in the various sessions on understanding how the entire business market works there.
Thanks, Nikhil, for adding to that what Naveen said. With new businesses coming in,